Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Gino, the Pinoy trainer, and today it's Christmas Eve. It's 24 and I'm not going home because of a lot of things. And it's for us Filipinos, ito yung pinaka importanteng araw sa lahat ng Pinoy. Kaya lahat ng mga OFW dyan, kailangan lahat sila umuwi para they can stay with their family and be with them, enjoy the holiday. Para sa mga Pinoy, mas importante ang Christmas Eve or Christmas kaysa yung birthday nila. Ako naman, dito lang ako sa Vietnam. Sa documentation ko. I-explain ko next time. Pangalawa, dapat nasa bakasyon na ako pero may sakit ako. I've been having this flu for a while now. I had it since a few days ago. But my brother told me, why not decide to vlog about your your Christmas Eve? So yeah, so I'm gonna vlog. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna cook. I'm not a good cook, but I'll cook carbonara today, and then chicken and some bacon. And I have some juice ready, and I bought some muffins for my dessert. So come with me. Okay, so here are the ingredients. So I bought this one. It's just a cheap what's this? Spaghetti. Okay, I just bought this one, and I bought some chicken. This one's just ready made. I'm not gonna fry anything. I just bought it. I'm gonna have wings. I'm gonna have 4. Then some bacon. Okay, for the carbonara. Then I have carbonara sauce. So all I have to do is cook this. Then add this one. So I don't need to cook. And then air fry this and the bacon. Then that's it. So I prepared boiling water, and then I think this is 100 grams. I'm just gonna cut it. There. And I'll pour this also. Okay. So I'll time it. I think 10 minutes. Okay, they say I have to wait 10 minutes. But I'll be checking up on this one after a few minutes. For my chicken and bacon, I'm just going to air fry. So I have bacon here and my chicken. Maybe I'll just cook three pieces. I'm not that hungry. So this one I just bought it in supermarket. Get this one, or maybe two pieces. I think 2 pieces is fine. It's too big. Then for the bacon, I'll just cut this part. Okay, the bacon's really good. I'm very lucky when I got here. Bumili na ako ng air fryer. Tama yung sinabi ng brother ko. Air fryer will save a lot of, cooking. Okay, I'm cutting it to scissors. It's the laziest way, pero ganun talaga. Note na hindi ako marunong magluto. I only know how to cook. There's a difference between cook the food and prepare the food. Hindi ako magaling. Yung mami ko, kapampangan siya. Magaling siya magluto. Namimiss ko nga mami ko kasi siya yung marunong magluto sa pamilya namin. Just ready it, everything. Okay, the chicken, the bacon. And then, the timer ko lang. Maganda din yung brand na to, Tefal. I got it here. Mura lang. So, set ko nga ang timer. 200. Set it to maybe, yeah, maybe 7 minutes. 7-8 minutes. Or a bit crispy. So, I'm very lucky. There was a previous owner who was staying here. May naiwan siyang mga gamit. Like, ito. Kasi since electric yung gamit nila, yung di ka pwedeng gumamit ng, let's say, ng pot. Kailangan yung pot mo compatible sa electric. So, yung pot na to, galing sa previous owner na nagstay siya dito. Di ba? Sarap. You can see it's really fried. Tsaka yung oil nandyan lang. Ganda sa air fryer. Air fryer, walang oil, walang grease eh. Here. So the things I bought are kind of like ready-made, like the chicken and the sauce. Pero it makes my life easier, so I don't have a hard time. Pero of course, yung mas maganda yung niluto talaga, like ginisa and lahat-lahat. Pero syempre, I live by myself and I rarely cook. So just showing you guys how I spend my Christmas, and this is what I bought. It's like a ready-made carbonara sauce. Don't understand what it means. I'm just gonna add it here. So it's like cook na to. So all I have to do is just mix it. No need to like heat it. So mix ko na lang dito. So here is the food, and yes, I am eating in the same place where I am, placing my computer. But anyway, the chicken, I think I cooked too much bacon. The bacon's supposed to be here. So in my own family, we love having carbonara, except my dad. He likes having red sauce, pero mas gusto ko carbonara. So every Christmas we have this, just for me to remember my mom. I miss my mom. She always cooks carbonara. So ito yun. And then I love chicken. So ito yung chicken nila. So grabe, air fryer lang. Air fryer ko lang. Then I love juice. Hindi to Miranda. This is Minute Maid. Okay, hindi ako nag-Sprite or anything. I just want something sweet. So bumili ako ng Minute Maid. Yun, so everything was prepared. I cooked it. This is my Christmas Eve dinner. Kahit may sakit ako. I want the carbonara first. So nagluto ako bacon. Kasi usually carbonara has bacon. I think. Baka may bacon, so I'll try it first. Not bad. I think it says ready-made with cheese. So carbonara siya na may cheese. Buti nga hindi na bumili ng cheese. So parang carbonara with cheese. Oh my god. Sarap. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Wow. And I only spent how much? The bacon. sakto yung luto ko na bacon. Hindi siya, um, hindi siya, tawag dun, tostado. Saktong-sakto lang. You can see it. You can see it. It's not tracking my eye. Anyway. Sarap. Anyway, I hope you guys like my video. And it's my first time here alone in Christmas Eve. A lot of things happened, like me getting sick. You can see my voice is not clear. I can't go out kasi meron akong flu. So it's a viral infection. I don't know where I got it. I'm feeling a bit better dahil lang sa medication. Pero pag walang medication, I'm not feeling well. Final thoughts lang. Iba talaga yung Pinoy. Ngayon ko lang naintindihan yung bakit tayo muuwi. Bakit yung mga Pinoy muuwi sa Pinas. Bakit hindi sila nagbabakasyon sa abroad. And I realized, nga no, kasi dito yung Pinas, dun yung pamilya. Kung saan yung pamilya mo, dun ka masaya. So, it doesn't matter what country it is. Let's say you go to Japan, you go to Singapore. It's nice to go on vacations, but it's nice to go on vacation with your family. And that's what I realized. I miss my mom. I miss my dog, who's already in heaven, my brother, everyone else. Hope you like the video, and see you guys on the next one.